All right, so here's our JSON Web Token. All the properties you see in this object are part of the standard specification defined by OIDC. Now, we want to return the user's roles, but these roles are not part of OIDC. So in order to return them to the client, we need to put them in a namespace, something like viga.com/roles. So once again, we go to the rules page and create a new rule. Now this time I'm going to start with an empty template. Let's give this rule a name, add the roles claims. So in the implementation, we want to do something like this. Context.accessToken.roles. We set this to user.app_metadata.roles. As simple as that. However, because here we're adding custom claims in the access token and these claims are not part of the standard spec defined by OIDC, we need to properly namespace them. So I'm going to change this. Instead of using the dot notation, I'm going to use square brackets. And the name of this property is going to be https://viga.com/roles. So we put it in a unique namespace that does not clash with another claim coming from somewhere else. Now let's try this rule. First, I'm going to save it. Now try. So here's a basic user object. Let's try it. We got an error. Cannot read property roles of undefined. Because in this object, we don't have app_metadata. So we need to make our code more robust. So I'm going to do something like this. If user.app_metadata and user.app_metadata.roles, if they're both defined, then I will add these custom claims in the access token. Let's try again. All right, this time we didn't get any errors. Now let's put app_metadata here and set the roles property to an array with two values, 1 and 2. And try again. If you scroll down the bottom, you see this access token. Now this access token currently has only one property, but when a user logs in, this access token is going to have the other properties as well. We're done with the implementation of this rule. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to get these roles on the client and show or hide content based on the user's role.